She's a little crooked. Her head's a little crooked.
So that it
I'm gonna
over-exaggerated my lower back.
bring you over here just to see if there's. Yeah, see how that.
Ooh, crunchy.
That was actually really good. Didn't even phase you. All the way down here. There. Just gonna let it all the way down. All the way out. There you go. Good. There it goes. Wow. That was a little more stiff than I thought. Let's see if I can get all the way up here. Yeah, that's the one. The low back, and we're just trying to decompress it. Just relax your leg. That's the one right there.
That was nice.
That was good. See, you felt that in your low back too, right?
Yeah.
It's your leg. Wow. That literally just gapped your whole hip and low back there.
That's so good.
So this, when I wrap the chin, it helps with kind of sending the decompression down your low back too, okay? Let that neck just relax and stretch.
Oh.
Wow.
That was good.
Oh. You felt that?
Oh, wow.
Where did you feel it?
My lower back.
It goes right to that lower. I felt that just pop.
Wow.